Morning, guys. So it is time to put away all of the Christmas decor, and I'm gonna clean the space as well because there's gonna be glitter everywhere, and with this tree being flocked, I know I'm gonna have to deal with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away. I have my boxes and bins ready, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so when I take down my Christmas decor, I like to start with the tree first, just get it out of the way because I tend to get interrupted when I'm cleaning, like all the time. I have to stop and like tend to kids or do something. It never fails. And I'm gonna take you guys around the room and show you where everything is from because I do have some new pieces in the space that I don't believe I talked about since my first room tour. I did make a lot of changes and I told you guys I was going to make some changes, but I will be taking you around the room and telling you where everything is from, so stay tuned for that as well.
That you be by my side. All of our mistakes, what we have done. We're supposed to be young, dumb, and free. Thought that we'd never be mean. Hoping that you see what we could be before we throw it all away. And pride's forsaken both of us. Always thought that we would get it right. By my side.
Alright guys, so I am using the disinfecting multi-surface cleaner from 7th generation. I will not be repurchasing it though because I do not like the smell at all. The scent is the lemongrass and citrus and I'm just not too crazy about it, so I'm gonna have to stock up on my method cleaner because that is my favorite cleaner to use. And the glass cleaner I'll be using in this video is the Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. I love it so much. It does a really great job, no streaks. So yeah, those are the products I'm using to clean for today's video.
She wanna try something else in life. She wants a different view. She wanna move to a place downtown, be a part of the crew. And I'm standing up first in line, right, all in the aim. She don't wanna waste my time, no, never again. Touching up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. Up on my body, liking it like that. So just stay for me. I just wanna make it last. Yeah, I just can't get enough. I'm so hooked on your touch. Yeah, we should slow down, it's getting too much. If we wanna make it last, just wanna make it last. At the end of the day, she's all in my space. Now I am the one that she's coming to. I don't want it no other way, not be replaced. I don't know what I'm on, but I'm loving it. Touching up on my body, she's moving at me so fast. Until the morning coffee, I just wanna make it last. Up on my body.
Alright guys, so I am done and I decided to take all of the decor off of the coffee table and the mantle, that side table over there, and this cabinet because I'm going to be redecorating these areas. I do have to go out and buy some new stuff because I'm just tired of looking at the old stuff I had and I want to make some changes. So yeah, I'm going to do a separate video for that. It's going to be a decorate with me because I've been getting a lot of requests to do decorating videos. So I decided to, separate that from this video, just make this cleaning and just show you guys the space and tell you where everything is from. But I did go ahead and play with the decor on the console table because I had upright lamps and my husband didn't like them. He said they were like way too bright for him, and he really loves the look of lampshades. So what I did was take the lamps out of the dining room and put them in here just to, you know, see how it's going to look. And I really like them. I think it looks really nice. So I just have the picture frames up here, and I really love the look. And my vase in the middle, I really like this because it hides the wires, and I just like the look, honestly. Even if I did have like the wire cover, which I still need to go out and buy, I'm still gonna have a vase right here because I think it looks really pretty. I think I'm gonna keep the console decor like this. I might be changing the lamps because, like I said, these lamps are for the dining room. So I think I'm gonna have to go out and buy some new lamps for this space. But we'll see, because I could just keep these in here and get new lamps for the dining room. But we'll see. It depends on the lamp, you know, the lamps that I find. But yeah, this is the space right now, guys. I'm going to take you around the room and tell you where everything is from. But it looks really good in here. Of course, I have to go back and add my, you know, decor pieces just to finalize the space. But we're just gonna start. Let me just start back here actually. So I have this console table here. This isn't gonna stay. I just put it here because I didn't have anywhere else to put it in the house. But I got this from Tuesday morning, and I have these ottomans underneath. Those are from Ross. And over here, because I know you guys are probably going to ask, like, what is that in the corner? This is a workout bike. It's like a desk at the top, and you can, you know, sit on it and just work out. And this is really great for those days when I'm trying to, like, you know, work on the computer and I still want to burn some calories. So I can just like get up here, put my laptop up there and just edit or do whatever I need to do on my computer and just get on here and pedal. So yeah, let me get close up on it so you guys can see. Well, just like a quick review, because I did get this from the company. So you just get on and start pedaling. The machine will pop on, but you can switch up the display depending on what you're trying to see. So if you want your time to be displayed or your speed, your distance, your calories, you can just, you know, control it here. And then you just turn this for the resistance, put it on 8, and it's gonna be like more resistance. So yeah, just figured I'll go ahead and share this with you all. It's from a Flexi Spot. You can find it on Amazon. So I purchased this from At Home a very long time ago, maybe 7 years ago. But I do believe they still sell it. And the lamp is from Tuesday Morning. Okay, and the lampshade is from Ross because it didn't come together. But yeah, I found that lampshade at Ross. And it has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's like really pretty. And the sofas are from Ashley's Furniture. And the pillows are from Ross. Well, this one is from Ross. This cute one here is from Home Goods. The wall art is from Amazon. And over here I have this plant. I got it from QVC. And the vase is from Z Gallery. And I decided to, you know, put this plant inside of the vase because it was the perfect fit. Let me show you guys what the bottom of this plant looks like. Okay, it's over here. So you see the planter is so small. I just have it sitting on top of another planter to give it some height because I wanted these plants to be, you know, leveled. But yeah, look how tiny it is. But it was the perfect fit for this vase. So yeah, I went ahead and, you know, did that. Of course, you guys know the mirrors are from Dollar Tree. But if you're new, then yes, I purchased these mirrors from Dollar Tree online. But the last time I checked, they were still sold out. They've been sold out for a very long time. But yeah, I got those from Dollar Tree online. The console is from Amazon. And this lamp is from Kirkland's. The lampshade was like a brownish color, but I went and purchased some fabric from Joann's and I just covered it. But yeah, the frames are from Ross. This vase is from Ross, and the TV is from LG, in case you're wondering, because I do get questions about the TV. But you guys, I do have an Amazon store for all of these Amazon finds, you can just click on the link in the description box and you can shop my home. And yeah, you'll see all of these like pieces like this console. You'll see the coffee table there and anything that I purchased from Amazon. So the wall art, just click the link in my description box for that. This really pretty bowl inside is from Home Goods. The rug is from Inspire Me Home Decor line with QVC. It's sold out in this size, but I do believe she still has like the 5x7 available, and this color is grayish. So this is called the shadow rug. So yeah, I got it from QVC, Inspire Me Home Decor. She's really popular on Instagram. All right, so the curtains are from Amazon. It has this really pretty design, and it's like a velvet material, like a velvet mixed with like a linen. It's really pretty, guys. And this planter is upside down. Let me actually turn it because it's so pretty. It has like this hammered look, and it's from Ross. And I need to find something else to put that plant on because I really love this planter. I want to use it somewhere else, but I just have it over here temporarily. Let me put it back just so I can put my plants on it. Okay. All right, so this chair is from Value City Furniture, guys. So nice. I got it on clearance. They don't have this design in stock anymore. This table here is from Ross, and this mirror is from At Home. It's really pretty. All right, let's see what else. Oh, the pillows over here. This big one is from Ross. And like I said, these really cute pillows are from Home Goods, Ross. Oh, this sofa table is from TJ Maxx. And oh, the floors. These are Pergo Max Premier. Yeah, I believe I'm saying that right. But I got them from Lowe's. I had them do the install as well. And this is the Silver Mist Oak design. So really beautiful. And the wall color is Repost Gray by Sherwin-Williams. I got it from Lowe's. So, you know, in case you're wondering, because I get a lot of questions about the paint color. But that is everything, guys, in this space. Like I said, I will be doing a separate video decorating. And yeah, I think I'm gonna record that today. I do have to go out to the store and find some new pieces though. So I'm gonna do like a shop with me, and then I'm gonna do a haul and decorate, you know, the room. That is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.